1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jamie. I make cleaning and organizing videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and I would love for you to join us. We're a military family currently living overseas in Germany. And I would love to know where in the world you're watching from, so say hi in the comments below.
What you wanna do now, what's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love. When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure.
Does anybody else hang dry like half of their laundry, or is that just like a tall people problem? I am 5'9" and my husband is well over 6 foot, and I'm just so worried about shrinking our clothes that if it's nice or if it's something new, I usually hang it, as well as all of our gym clothes. I just feel like that fabric tends to pill easily, and I think it's caused by the dryer, so I hang so much stuff. This is one of our spare bedrooms that I'm hanging up the clothes in. We have a huge laundry room in the basement, but nothing seems to dry down there. I don't know if it's because there's poor ventilation or what. So I bring things upstairs and dry them here. You will never have to question if my channel is real life because you can see my real life mess in the background.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say bye. Ain't gonna leave you.
in a previous video, we live in government leased housing, so that means that the Army leases it for their soldiers and families to live in, but we do not live on the military base. We live out in the community. And we are so fortunate to have such a nice home that I absolutely love, but it is very large for our family. Homes here are based a lot on availability, and this is what was available when we moved here, and I am by no means complaining, but 3 bathrooms is a lot of mess for me. But even with all of this space, I still haven't found practical solutions for storage, so organizing is a continuous effort for me. There's probably some really obvious solutions, but I'm also really conscious of budget and not buying things that won't fit into every home that we ever live in, because I'm super aware that this is not our forever home. And are y'all appreciating all of this tile that I mentioned in my last video? It is from floor to ceiling. And to be fair, it doesn't really look dirty from a distance, but if you get up close to it, it has water spots all over it all of the time. What do you guys do when you buy a product and you don't love it? I bought the Military Exchange brand of this window and mirror cleaner, and it just does not work, but it's so full I don't know what to do with it. I think I'll probably continue to use it until it's all gone, but I definitely will not be repurchasing.
In the words that you say, but I can't be strong if you can't move on. Don't you think we've had enough of the trauma you bring? Ain't you tired of thinking we can get through anything? 'Cause I can't move on if you can't be strong. But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I loved you for
Definitely a storage solution that needs to be rebought and reorganized.
run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, and I waited for a lifetime. So you say you wanna change, but lately things have been the same, and it's my heart you're holding back again, and I can't be strong if you can't move on. Every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, 'cause I loved you for a lifetime. Now is the time for you to leave the past We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. When I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime.
What do you guys do to stay motivated while you're cleaning and to make cleaning fun? I love to listen to podcasts. I'm a huge true crime listener. My favorite podcast is Crime Junkies. If you like true crime at all and you have not listened to Crime Junkies, first of all, where have you been? I also genuinely love Audible. I just finished listening to the book The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes by Suzanne Collins. It's the prequel to the Hunger Games series, so if you liked the Hunger Game books, you are going to love this, maybe even more. And of course, I love to watch YouTube while I'm cleaning, and I love to watch cleaning and organizing channels. My favorite at the moment is Joanna Thornton. So if that's the kind of content that you like, which I'm assuming it is because you found me, you should definitely go check her out.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
If you stayed until the end, thank you, and don't forget to hit that like button. I'm hoping to upload a house tour soon, so if that is something you'd be interested in, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again on Wednesday.
Thing we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing